Hi everyone, in today's I'm going to explain to you how to save projects in Canva. So what you're going to have to do is first of all create your project. So I'm going to create a blank one and then I'm going to use some of their templates from here, and I'm going to go with this one here. Now of course if you want you can edit this, you can add more pages, you can change the text and everything. Now if you want to save the project, what you're gonna have to do is to simply go to file and then simply click on download, and as you can see here you have different file types. So you have JPG, PNG, PDF, CFG. You can even save as video if you want, or GIF. So simply select the file type and then simply click on download, and basically that's how you can save a project in Canva. So I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.